Hi everyone, my name is Tanu and today I would like to give you a quick overview of my virtual wallet app Paylite. Paylite is designed to provide a fast and secure platform to users to send, request and receive money from their family and friends, as well as pay their utility and subscription bills, split expenses and do shopping using their unique ID. Now let's take a look of the most important features of Paylite.
When the user will come for the very first time on Paylite, they will arrive on the screen. If they are already aware of this app and its features, they can directly create an account. Otherwise, they can explore the app by taking the tour. So let's say they click on Get Tour, which starts the onboarding process to introduce them with the main features of the app. Our main features are wallet, send and request money, split expenses, and pay bills. During this onboarding process, one can always go back or skip the entire process. Once they arrive at the end of the onboarding process, they will get the option to do sign up or do it later if they want to explore more. So let's assume user wants to know more about this app and click on later. Now they will come on the home screen where they will get option to learn more about each feature in detail. At the end, they will again get the option to do sign up. There will always be option to do sign up or login in the header for repeat users to avoid them going through the onboarding process every single time. Now let's say if they decide to do sign up. They can do so very easily using Facebook or Google ID or filling out a short form. So let's assume user will fill the form. Paylite user will always go through two-factor authentication process to get the highest level of security. For that, they need to verify their phone number to enter the code which they will get on their mobile phone. Now they have successfully registered. If they come to our site to do any transaction, they can directly go to add their debit, credit card or bank account from here only. Or they can go to dashboard by pressing skip button to see their options. So let's assume they press the skip button. Now they have arrived on the dashboard screen. If previously user had skipped the onboarding process, here they will get that option again to revisit the tour. This is the placeholder for their recent transactions. Once user will do any transaction, they can see those over here. They can also link their debit, credit card and bank account right here on the dashboard. And they can also see their deals and offers as well. The sticky footer persistent navigation will always be available on all the landing screens starting from the dashboard, whereas the hamburger menu will always be available on all the screens. Now I can show you all the exciting features in the app. First, we will go in the wallet and we'll see how easy it is to link a card and a bank account. So here they can link their debit, credit card and a bank account. Let's say user wants to link their card first. Here they have two options, either they can enter their card details or log in into card account. Let's say they want to enter their card detail first. In just few clicks, they have added their card and immediately they can see their added card details in the wallet. Now in few clicks, user can also link their bank account. Same here, they have two options. Either they can enter their bank details or log in into bank account. Now let's say they want to log in into their bank account. Here the user will be informed first that their information is safe and Paylite will never have access to their username and password. Let's assume user has an account in Bank of America. And here they need to enter their bank's username and password. Once they will agree, their account will be linked. Now they can also see their added bank account details in the wallet. There is another great feature which is send and request money. Let's say user wants to send money. First, the user needs to sync their contacts and emails with Paylite to find the recipient and easily send money to them. Now they can search the recipient. Let's assume they owe $500 to Alex for hotel expenses. Next, they need to select the bank account which they want to send money. Now they will check that everything is correct and authorize the transfer. In just few clicks, they successfully send money to their friends, and immediately they can see the transaction detail on the send and request landing page. Now under pay bills, the user has two options: pay utility and subscription bills and pay in store. Let's assume user wants to pay utility and subscription bills. Here they have two options: pay one time or make repeat payments. Let's assume user wants to make repeat payments. Now they need to fill bill details and payment details. They also need to select the payment method. Then they need to authorize Paylite to charge their bank account as per their billing cycle. Now right away they can see their scheduled repeat payment details on the pay bills landing page. Now let's explore the other feature, pay in store. Let's say the user is currently at Walmart and wants to pay using Paylite. First, they need to select the supported store, for example Walmart in the list here. Then they need to select the payment method. After that, the one-time code will be generated. Now as soon as the user enters this code in the swipe machine, they are done. Then the message will show that user made payment of $26 at Walmart. Immediately, the user can see their transaction detail on pay bill screen. Now at the end, I would like to introduce the split expenses feature. Here the user has two options, create group and my groups. As user did not have any group yet, they need to create one in which they want to split expenses. Let's assume recently user visited Las Vegas with their friends and now they want to split expenses among all their friends. Here the user need to add their group name and use the image. Next, as user need to add their friends, they will authorize to sync their contacts and emails if not already done previously. Now they can search their friends who are in the Paylite, and if someone is not in the Paylite, they can invite them. So let's start with search friends first and assume user wants to add Alex and Amita both. And invite one more friend, Roy. Now they all have added in the group. Next, user will fill the form. So now the user themselves paid $500 and they want to split equally. Next, here is the detailed overview of the expenses, how much everyone will pay according to their share and to whom. Next, the user can share the split expenses details with their friends using email or text messages and then send to them. Now send. Split expenses details sent successfully to all their friends. So now the user can see details like how much they owe and how much they will get from friends at split expenses landing page. Now after doing all the transactions, If the user wants to see everything together at one place, they can come back to the dashboard and view all recent transactions here.
And that's it. Hope this was helpful to understand the main features of Paylite. Please check the case study if you would like to learn more about this project. Thank you so much. Bye now.